Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use hyaluronic acid serum and niacinamide for optimal skin benefits. First, apply hyaluronic acid to damp skin to maximize its hydrating effects. Then, follow with niacinamide to strengthen your skin's barrier and reduce redness. This combination works synergistically, providing a powerful boost to your skincare routine. You'll notice a smoother, more even complexion with consistent use. Let's dive into the best application methods. The correct order of application is crucial for these serums to work effectively. After cleansing, gently pat your face, leaving it slightly damp. Apply a few drops of hyaluronic acid serum first, allowing it to fully absorb for about 30 seconds. Next, apply your niacinamide serum. This layering ensures each ingredient penetrates properly, delivering maximum benefits to your skin. Consistency is key for visible results. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. Your support helps us create more content. On another note, if you love diving into a good book, just like you're diving into skincare, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, anytime. You can find the link and other deals in the description. Now, let's get back to the video. This dynamic duo offers a multitude of benefits for nearly all skin types. Hyaluronic acid provides intense hydration, plumping the skin and reducing fine lines. Niacinamide works to calm inflammation, minimize the look of pores, and even out skin tone. Together, they create a robust defense against environmental stressors, leaving your skin feeling supple and looking radiant. It's a simple yet effective routine. To truly maximize the benefits, consider a few key tips. Ensure your serums are from reputable brands, focusing on pure formulations. Start with a small amount of each product, about 2 to 3 drops, and gently press them into your skin. Remember, consistency is more important than quantity. And for daytime use, always protect your newly nourished skin with a good sunscreen. This protects your investment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.